right, good morning, good morning. I'm getting ready to share with you another awesome way that I make waffles. I'm making breakfast for my daughter before she goes to school. I try to make her a hot breakfast before she goes to school, or virtual or either physical school, because they do a little bit of both, especially at the end of the year with the testing. So today I'm going to show you one of my waffle treats. Now, I did a video on the best way to make waffles, and when I say people love it, they say they'll never go back to a toaster. I'm going to share with you another added trick, and a lot of you have asked me in that video, do I do this? And I do. And I wanted to share with you what I do to make my waffles taste amazing. So we are going to put some butter in the pan. And we got some Eggo waffles. Now we're going to just skim just a little bit of the butter on here. Not too much on both sides, right? Just a little bit, okay? So you're going to skim the butter. I'm sorry, I hope it's not too dark, but it's very early in the morning. It's like 7 something in the morning. So I'm just going to skim the 2 waffles that I'm making. But what I'm going to do is let that butter melt. And I'm going to take my cinnamon and add my cinnamon into that butter. And I'm going to take a dab of vanilla and add it into the butter as well. Now, for those of you who have responded to me about doing it this way and asking me, do I do this? Yes, but this is my tip. I put the vanilla in there to give it an extra added oomph. I'm telling you, you will never put waffles in the toaster again. After you do this, you will never put waffles in the toaster again. So you don't really have to skim. I just like butter. I love butter on my waffles. I got to taste the butter. So that's what you do. And you set your waffles in there after you skim them with, you know, whatever desired amount of butter you want. Alright, so you want them to brown on both sides. So you're going to let them do their thing. I like mine really golden. So you're going to let them do their thing. And once they are ready to flip, you're going to let the other side get some of that good cinnamon and vanilla on it as well. So let's wait until it's time to flip them. Alright, it's time to flip. And remember, it's cinnamon and all that goodness in here. So it's making us waffles look darker than they are. They're not burnt. But I promise you, you will not make waffles in a toaster or in a microwave. Some people say they make it in a microwave. I don't see how that's good. I have to have like a little crisp to my waffles. So yeah, this is the way I make waffles, and this is an amazing way to make waffles. And yep, see, even with that side just that fast, they get really golden really fast. But I want to get all that goodness on these waffles. And we are all set. So let me plate these up. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are nice and crispy. And when you add that maple syrup, oh my gosh, how amazing. And this is the maple syrup I use from Kroger, and I love it, love it, love it. And it tastes so good even on my French toast sticks. I like to dip those, but with these bad boys, I'm going to drizzle some of this on there, and we are going to enjoy these bad boys. So let's drizzle some of this maple syrup on these waffles. I don't like a whole bunch, and I like that this is not extremely thick. So yeah, guys, you have to try this. And if you do, leave a comment below, and I will try to remember to leave the link to my other video of how to make the best waffles. But this is the cinnamon vanilla waffle, and I shall see you guys later, gators.